Hello everyone, this is Chris from Aginity, and today I'm going to show you how to use Aginity Pro's active analytics catalog to make you a more productive SQL analyst. If we take a look at what we have on the screen here, it's a query that I often run over and over again within Aginity Pro. But I want to actually break some of this stuff down and save them as objects in my active analytics catalog so that I no longer have to rewrite my code, but I can reuse it over and over again. So let's take a look at this first line of text or code that we have in this SQL statement. What this is doing is it's actually stripping the domain from an email address, and I do this all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually save this selection by right-clicking to my catalog so that I no longer have to rewrite it and I can reuse it. So when I save the selection, I'm going to call it get domain. And the description is going to be searchable in our discovery assistant. So I'm going to say pull domains from email addresses. And then I'm going to save it directly into my own personal catalog C code down here. We're going to save this as a type of other because it's not a query, calculation, or relationship. It's more like a function. So when I create that, I no longer need to write all of this code out anymore or even think about the logic in order to get that email domain from those email addresses. What I can do is I can now remove this code and refer to this object directly within my catalog by double clicking. You can also type it out. This is the syntax we use in order to refer to the objects within Aginity Pro's catalog, the @ symbol and then the curly braces. And then when I rerun this code, it's going to understand it and then provide the same results down below. Now we can really kind of take this to the next level. Another place where I often think about logic quite often is trying to join 3 or 4 tables together. So you could take this entire from statement, which I've already done, and save it in a catalog. You can do this over and over again for several objects that you like to reuse, and I've already done that, so let's put this down below and take a look at how you can even get a little bit more fancy with it. So you can see that we're selecting that email, and we're getting that domain, and I saved a bunch of other SQL as an RFM calculation, and then we also have that join block directly there. So each of these 4 things are already objects saved in my catalog, so I no longer have to rewrite that code anymore, and I can execute it. And at runtime, Aginity Pro is going to understand, hit our database, and provide our results down in the results grid below. This is a huge time saver and a huge advantage for all of you Aginity Pro users out there. We're hoping that we're making you more productive SQL analysts, and we'd love to hear from you. So reach out to us at any time at product@aginity.com. We'd love to chat with you live. I hope you have a great day, and take care.